Valve has removed references related to Steam machines from its PC digital distribution platform Steam. Earlier, checking the hardware category on Steam's website revealed a Steam Machines link in the drop-down menu. This is now gone. Links to the Steam controller, Steam Link, and HTC Vive remain. That being said, the entire hardware page has been taken down. Anyone using the link to the Steam hardware page is redirected to a search page. Steam Machines was Valve's attempt at creating an alternative PC gaming ecosystem to Microsoft's Windows. Although we'd suspect that Valve's hands-off approach to hardware may have resulted in its downfall. According to website Gaming on Linux, the changes to Steam came early in March. Previously, the Steam Machines page had multiple models from several manufacturers. These are now gone. The only trace of Steam Machines lies a few entries that the report claims are likely to be removed soon. Announced in 2013, Steam Machines were small form-factor PCs meant for living room use. These would be powered by SteamOS, Valve's Linux-based operating system. SteamOS was envisioned to make it easier for developers to port Windows games to Linux. At the time, the company said that these would ship in 2014. However, this was pushed back to 2015 when Valve realized it was not ready for prime time. We're now using wireless prototype controllers to conduct live playtests, with everyone from industry professionals to die-hard gamers to casual gamers. It's generating a ton of useful feedback, and it means we'll be able to make the controller a lot better. Of course, it's also keeping us pretty busy making all those improvements. Realistically, we're now looking at a release window of 2015, not 2014, a post on Steam Universe, a Steam group read at the time.